Description: gloss and moisturize curls with this restorative blend of cocoa butter, Babassu Seed Oil and the Color Vita Complex. Packaging may vary. Benefits: shine, moisturize, repair, protect. Suggested use: apply to hair wet or dry. Use alone or layer with your favorite surface curls styling products. Surface curls: love your frizz-free hair. Melt your curls and your senses with hydrating cocoa butter. Seal your hair with Organic Bassu Seed Oil for smooth and bouncy curls. Loaded with sugar proteins and soothing lipids, enhancing the elasticity of curls for less breakage and no more frizz. Add curls products to your maintenance and care regimen and love your hair in every way. Strengthen your curl bonds while moisturizing. Eliminate frizz and increase hair's elasticity. Use this product to wear your hair curly or smooth. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for fine curly hair. This is by far the best oil curl serum on the market for fine curly hair. I reapply during the day when I get frizz attacks. It keeps the curl smooth, lush and wavy without any stickiness or that heavy residue feeling. The smell is like caramel. I have one in my bag and one at home.